Namaskara. My name is Dr. Vandana Ramanathan and I am a fertility specialist with Garbhagudi IVF Center, Bangalore. Our heart deserves to be healthy always, but due to certain stress and emotions, many a times our heart is not able to function well. What can we do for this? So we all know that a healthy mind equals a healthy heart. So today we want to show you a few heart friendly asanas which you can practice on a daily basis so that your heart will stay strong and healthy all your life. So today our yoga expert Dr. Sattvi is going to guide you and tell you about these 8 heart friendly asanas which you can practice on a daily basis to stay strong, healthy and fit always. Over to Dr. Sattvi.
Namaste everyone. I welcome you all to the day 5th of Swasthya Saptaha initiated by Garbhagudi IVF Center. I'm Dr. Sattvi. I welcome you today for the heart opening and the emotional detox yoga. So certain instructions to be followed. Make sure you follow the breathing pattern when you're doing the asanas. Wear a loose clothing and keep your camera on during the practice. Okay. So we'll start the session. So first will be the loosening exercises followed by the asanas, pranayamas and relaxation. Okay, so starting with the loosening exercises. So join your legs together, place your both the hands at the back. Okay, you can make a loose fist like this, hold it at the back. Let's go for the neck rotation. Slowly bend at your neck, touch your chin to the chest. Now slowly inhale, take your neck towards your right, up. As you exhale, left and down. So do it with the breathing very slowly, eyes closed. Inhale, right, up, exhale, left and down. Third round. Inhale, right, up, exhale, left and down. Once again, inhale, right, up, exhale, left and down. Last round. Inhale, right, up, exhale, left and down. Slowly stop the practice. Now let's do it in a ulta direction, starting from left. Okay? Slowly inhale, take your neck towards your left, up, exhale, right, down. Inhale, left, up, exhale, right, down. Third round. Inhale, left, up, exhale, right, down. Last 2 rounds. Inhale, left, up, exhale, right, down. Inhale, left, up, exhale, right and down. Slowly stop the practice. Come back to center. Relax yourself. Release your hands. Close your eyes. Feel the relaxation on your neck region. Once you're relaxed, again open your eyes. Next, let's go for the practice of hands in and out breathing. Okay? Slowly place a little gap between your both the legs. Stretch your hands in the front. Face your palms each other. Palms facing each other. Join your both the hands nearby. Now inhale. Slowly stretch your hands out. With each inhalation, slowly stretch it out. Expand your chest. Inhale and out. Expand. Exhale. Back to center. Very slowly. Keep your eyes closed during the practice. Feel that. Inhale. Slowly stretch your hands out. Very slowly with the inhalation. Expand your chest. Exhale. Slowly back to the center. Very slowly. Third round. Inhale. Slowly stretch your hands. Widen it up. Expand your chest. Complete inhalation and your hand should be expanded out. Exhale. Back to the center very slowly. Fourth round. Inhale. exhale, slowly stretch it. Very slowly stretch it. Eyes closed. Expand your chest. Complete expansion, hands stretched out. Exhale, back to the center. Very slowly. Now last round. Inhale, slowly stretch it out. Stretch it. Expand your chest. Inhale maximum and expand your chest. Now exhale very slowly. With each exhalation, slowly bring your hands. Exhale back to center. Slowly exhale, release, drop your hands down, relax. So you might feel little strain on your shoulders, that's okay, but expand your chest completely with each inhalation and exhalation. Okay, relax yourself. Feel the changes on your shoulders, on your chest. Next, slowly open your eyes. Next, let's go for the practice of breathing at your chest level, your forehead level, and your stretched up, hands stretched up. Okay, so join your legs together. Now make a clench your both the fists like this, your palms like this. Place it at your chest. Your elbow should be dropping down. Okay, now slowly inhale. Take both the palms in your front. Complete inhalation. Stretch your hands. Again exhale back to the center. Do it with the breathing very slowly. Inhale at your chest level. Exhale back to the center at your chest level. Third round. Inhale at your chest level. Exhale back to your chest level. Fourth round. Inhale at your chest level. Expand it out. Exhale back to your chest level. Last two rounds now. Inhale at your chest level. Expand it out. Exhale back to the center. Again inhale at your chest level. Exhale back to the center. Next, let's do it at our forehead level. Okay, so inhale, stretch your hands at your forehead level. Exhale back to your center. Inhale at your forehead level. Maximum inhalation, stretch it. Your hands stretch. Exhale back to your chest level. Third round. Inhale at your forehead level. Exhale back to your chest level. Last two rounds now. Inhale at your forehead level. Exhale back to your chest. Last round now. Inhale at your forehead level. Stretch it. Exhale back to your chest level. Next, let's do it above our head. Okay. Now take a deep breath. Inhale. Take both the hands up. Stretch it completely. Your elbow should be touching your ears. Okay. Exhale back to your chest level. Inhale. Stretch it up. Exhale back to your chest. Third round. Inhale. Stretch it up. Maximum stretching. Exhale back to your chest level. Now last 2 rounds. Inhale and stretch it up. Exhale and back to your chest. Now inhale and stretch it up. Exhale and back to your chest. Last round now. Inhale and stretch it up. Exhale and back to your chest. Very good. Slowly release your hands. Relax yourself. Eyes closed. Feel the changes happening in your body. Enjoy the calmness in your breathing pattern. Relax completely. So again I'm reminding, do the breathing when you're doing the asanas. Okay? Then only you will be getting the maximum effort. So follow the instructions when you are doing the asanas, especially regarding to the breathing pattern. So once you're relaxed, again join your legs together. Next, let's go for the trunk rotation. Okay, you can give a 1 inch gap between your both the legs. Place your both the hands on your trunk region. Your elbow should be, your thumb should be touching each other like this. Okay, at your back it should be touching each other, and your rest of the fingers should be facing forward. Let's go for the trunk rotation now. 5 counts. Slowly take your trunk towards your right, front, left and back. Second round, right, front, left, back. Third round, right, front, left, back. Fourth, right, front, left, back. Fifth round, right, front, left and back. Slowly stop. Now in a ulta direction, starting from left to right. Slowly take your trunk towards your left, front, right, back. Slowly left, front, right, back. Third round, left, front, right, back. Fourth, left, front, right, back. Last round, left, front, right and back. Slowly come back to the position. Stop the practice. Release your hands. Join your right leg towards the left side. Relax. Feel the relaxation on your trunk region. Each joint's getting relaxed. Completely relax yourself. Concentrate on your breathing pattern. Relax. Next, let's go for the practice of the ankle rotation. Okay, so you can tie your hands at the back like this, or you can place your hands on your waist. Whichever is comfortable to you, you can keep like that. Now put your right foot in front of you. Let's go for the rotation. 5 rounds clockwise and 5 rounds anti-clockwise. Slowly clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the ulta direction, starting from left, front, right and back. Left, front, right, back. Third round, left, front, right, back. Left, front, right, back. Left, front, right and back. Slowly stop the practice. Same practice on the left leg now. Bring your left leg in the front. Clockwise rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now in the ulta directions. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly stop the practice. Release the position. Relax completely. Close your eyes. Focus on each part of your body. How it has been relaxed now. Loosened up. Prepare your mind for the practice of the asanas. Before that, completely relax. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath in. Completely breathe out. Slowly relax yourself. Now very slowly open your eyes. Let's go for the practice of the asana. Okay. First one is Ardha Chakrasana. So join your both the legs together. Place your hands on your waist. Again in the same position, thumb touching each other, rest of the fingers kept open. Okay. In this position. So if you're not a hypertension patient or if you're not having any kind of giddiness problem, then you can keep your legs together like this. But if you're a BP patient, have a giddiness issues, then give a 1 inch gap between your both the legs. Okay. So if you're losing the balance, then you can keep a 1 leg distance, 1 foot gap between your both the legs. Okay. Now stand straight. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. As you're exhaling, slowly bend backward. Bend backward, keep your eyes closed, knees straight. If you're having a giddiness, BP, then keep your eyes open. Otherwise, close your eyes. Yes. Maintain the position of normal breathing now for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, feel the stretching. 4, knees straight. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slow inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release your hands, join your leg together. Relax completely. Feel the expansion of your chest after the practice. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Next, let's go for the counter asana of this position, Pada Hastasana. So again, join your legs together, come to the position, back straight, neck straight. Now, keep a 1 inch gap between your both the legs. Now take a deep breath in, slowly lift your both the hands up. Give a gentle backward stretch. Knee straight, don't bend at your knee, gentle backward stretch. As you're exhaling, slowly bend forward. Now place your both the palm under your feet. Okay? Inhale, look front. As you're exhaling, bend. Maintain the position of normal breathing. If you're comfortable, you can touch your forehead to your knee. Okay? Now maintain the position, normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, knee straight, and 10. Slowly again inhale, come back to center, exhale, release your hands, relax. Completely relax yourself. Normalize the breathing pattern. Join your right leg towards the left side and relax. So when you're lifting your hands, make sure it should be straight. Don't bend like this and lift. Okay? Make sure your hands are straight and you have to lift it up. Relax completely. Feel the changes. Feel the expansion of your chest. Relax. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. And slowly open your eyes. Come to the sitting position. Next, let's do the asanas in the sitting position. Okay? Slowly bend at your both the knee. Come to the sitting position. Stretch your legs at the front. Hands kept at the back. Relax. Relax in the Dandasana position. Separate your legs. Hands kept at the back. Next, let's perform the asana in the sitting position. Okay. First, let's perform the Gomukha asana, or what we call as a cow's face position. So, for that, you have to join your legs together. Slowly inhale, bend at your left leg, place your left heel under your right buttock. Again, inhale, bend at your right leg, exhale, place your right heel near to your left thigh. Okay, so you should sit in this position. Your heel should be in the knee should be in the same line. Okay, so in the sideward it will look like this. Your heel should be near to your thighs. Okay, so once this position is fixed, sit straight, back straight, don't hunch your back, sit straight. Now since my right leg is above my left leg, so I have to take my right hand above. Okay, so slowly inhale, take your both the hands up to shoulder level. Now take your right hand above, left hand below, catch hold of your both the hands at the back. Okay, in this position, just catch hold of your hands. You have to hold it like this. If this position is not able, if you're not able to perform this, that's okay. You can catch hold of your dress like this, or if you have got any towels or a shawl, you can hold it like that. Okay? You have to hold it like this. Sit straight. Tilt your head little up. Focus at a point in front of you. Let's maintain this position for 10 counts. Normal breathing. Focus in front of you. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly inhale. Take your hands up to the shoulder level. Exhale, release. Again inhale and twist your legs. Exhale and release. Now let's practice the same on the opposite direction. Slowly inhale, bend at your right leg, place your right foot under your left thigh. Now inhale, bend at your left leg, exhale, place your left foot near to your right thigh. Again, your knee should be in the same line. Don't keep it here and there, just in the same line you have to place it. Now inhale, take your both the hands up to your shoulder level. Exhale, take your left hand above, right hand below. Catch hold. Okay? You have to hold it like this. If not possible, just hold your shirt. Yes. Fix your point in front of you, back straight, neck straight. Maintain normal breathing. 1, 2, 3. Expand your chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly again inhale and twist your hands. Exhale, release your hands. Inhale, take your left leg in the front. Exhale, right, release and relax. Again relax in Dandasana, hands kept at the back. Relax, relax completely. Normalize your breathing pattern. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Relax. Once again, take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Relax yourself. Feel the changes happening in your body. Once you're relaxed, again, join your legs together, hands near to the body. Next, let's go for the practice of Ustrasana, or what we call as a camel posture. Slowly bend at your both the knee, come to kneeling down position. Okay. Now, slowly come up. Your gap should be maintained. A little gap between your both the knees. Your heel should be in the same line, aligned with your shoulders. Okay. Don't keep it too near, too far. Align with your shoulders, heels. A little gap between your both the knee, like this. A little gap between your both the knee. Now slowly place your both the hands on your waist. Again, your thumb should be touching each other. Rest of the fingers facing forward. Inhale, take a deep breath in. As you're exhaling, slowly bend backward. If you're able to do it even more, you can slowly touch your heels. Okay? Catch hold of your heels, expand your chest, look at your back. Keep your eyes closed, maintain normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, expand your chest. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now slowly inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, release your body. Come to kneeling down position. Release your legs and relax. Completely relax. Feel the changes happening in your body after the practice. The expansion of your chest. After the Ustrasana, relax completely. Normalize your breathing pattern. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Once you're relaxed, again join your legs together. Slowly turn around and come to the prone position. Let's do the asanas in that position. Okay? Slowly bend at your knee. Come to kneeling down position and slowly turn around and lie down on your tongue. Okay? Next, let's perform the asanas in this position. Relax completely. Next, let's go for the practice of Shashankasana. Slowly come to the kneeling down position. Okay, sit in this position. Now, slowly inhale. Take your both the hands up. Your gentle backward stretch. As you're exhaling, slowly bend forward. Try to place your forehead on the ground. Hands stretch at the front. Maintain the position. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly inhale. Stretch your hands in the back. Exhale and release. Release and relax. Now again, come to the prone position. Lie down. Relax completely. Feel the changes after the practice of Shashankasana. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Next, let's go for the practice of Bhujangasana. Slowly join your legs together. Place your both the palms at your chest level. Okay? Your elbow should be near to the body. Don't keep it away. Now slowly inhale and lift your chin, chest and your upper abdomen up. Look up. Straight up. Your heels should be together. Maintain the posture. Normal breathing. Focus in between your eyebrows. Maintain. 1, 2, normal breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly exhale. Release your chin, chest back on the ground. Release your hands. Relax. Slowly come to the Makarasana position. Relax. Separate your legs, cross your arms, place your chin or your forehead on the crossed arms. Relax completely. Normalize your breathing pattern. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Relax. Focus on each part of your body when you're doing the asanas. Completely focus on your breathing also. Relax completely. Now once you're relaxed, slowly turn towards your right side and lie down on your back. Next, let's do the asanas in the supine series. Okay, separate your legs, separate your hands, palms facing up. Relax. Now once you're relaxed, again join your legs together, hands near to the body. Next, let's go for the practice of Supta Padangusthasana. Slowly inhale, exhale, catch hold of your big toe, left leg should be straight. Slowly straighten up your right leg above. Okay, don't bend it, right leg should be straight. Take a deep breath in, as you're exhaling, slowly place your right leg towards the right side. Turn your head towards your left side. Okay, maintain normal breathing. 1, keep your eyes closed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again, slowly lift your right leg up. Exhale, release your right leg. Next, the same practice on the left side. Slowly bend at your left leg. Catch hold of your big toe. Straighten it up. Straighten it completely. Left leg should be on the ground. Don't lift your left leg up. Now take a deep breath in. As you're breathing up, slowly place your left leg towards the left side. Okay, right leg should be on the ground. Turn your head towards the right side. Maintain normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, eyes closed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale. Bring it back to the center. Exhale. Release your left leg. Release your hands. Relax. Completely relax. Feel the expansion of your chest. Enjoy the effort on your body after the practice. Relax completely. Once you're relaxed, again come to the position. Join your both the legs together, hands near to the body. Now let's go for the practice of Supta Matsyasana. Now slowly bend at your inhale, take your right leg up. Exhale, bend at your right leg. Place your right foot near to your left thigh. Again, same on the left side now. Inhale, take your left leg up. Exhale, bend. Place your left foot on your right thigh. Okay. Once this position is fixed, place it on the ground. Now slowly inhale. Place your both the hands at your neck region. Lift your head up. Place the tip of your head on the ground. Once this position is fixed, slowly bring your hands. Catch hold of your big toe. Your hand should be on the ground. Okay. Keep your eyes closed. Maintain in a normal breathing. 1, 2. Feel the expansion of your chest. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 In slowly. Inhale. Place your head back on the ground. Exhale. Release your legs. Release your hands. And relax. Relax completely in Shavasana. Separate your legs. Separate your hands. Palms facing up. Enjoy the expansion after the practice. The untwisting of each joints of your body. Relax. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Relax yourself. Recall all the asanas we have performed today and how it has affected on your body parts. Just focus on it. Now let's go for the practice of instant relaxation technique. We call it as IRT. So just follow my instructions. What we are going to do in this practice is that we are going to contract each part of your body. We are going to hold each part of your body tightly and hold it for few seconds and then relax it. Okay. Slowly join your both the legs together. Hands should be near to your body. Now bring your focus on your breathing pattern. Observe your abdominal region. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Inhale deeply and exhale completely. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. We'll perform 3 rounds of instant relaxation technique. Just keep your eyes closed. Your hands and your legs should be near to your body. Now slowly bring your focus towards your big toe. Contract your big toe. Contract all the toes of your foot. Hold your heels tightly. Hold your calf muscles tightly. Pull up your kneecap. Hold it tightly. Squeeze your thighs. Squeeze your buttocks. Squeeze your pelvic region. Completely exhale. Squeeze your abdomen region. Inhale. Expand your chest. Squeeze it. Squeeze your back muscles. Make a fist of your both the hands. Make it tighter. Bring your focus on your arms. Tighten your arm muscles. Shrink your shoulders. Hold it tightly. Tighten your throat muscles on your neck. Tighten your facial muscles. Pull up your chin. Clench your teeth. Squeeze your face. Squeeze your eyes. Make a wrinkles of your forehead. Tighten your facial muscles. Hold it tightly. Tighter. Tighter. Your entire body tighter. Right from your toes till your face, till your neck. Tight. Hold it tighter. 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 Exhale and release. Release and relax. Loosen up your facial muscles. Loosen up your muscles of your body. Completely relax. Relax each part of your body after the tightening up. Feel the relaxation after the instant relaxation technique. Now let's go for the second round of this. Again, join your legs together, hands near to the body. Now bring your focus on your big toe. Tighten your big toe. Tighten all the toes of your foot. Tighten your ankles. Tighten your heel joint. Tighten your calf muscles. Bring your focus on your knees. Tighten your kneecap. Tighten your thigh muscles. Tighten your pelvic region. Squeeze your buttocks. Exhale. Tighten your abdomen muscles. Inhale, expand your chest, hold your breath. Bring your focus on your back muscles, tighten your back muscles. Bring your focus on your shoulders, tighten your shoulders, tighten your calf, your hand muscles. Make a fist of your hands, tighten your fist. Bring your focus on your neck, tighten your neck muscles. Bring your focus on your face, squeeze your face, tighten your chin, clench your teeth, tighten your facial muscles, squeeze it, tighten it, hold it tightly, squeeze your eye muscles, tighten, 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 hold it tightly, tight, 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 tighten, exhale and release. Release it completely, relax. Separate your legs, separate your hands. Feel the relaxation after the tightening of your muscles. Relax completely. Now let's go for the last round of instant relaxation technique. Again, join your legs together, hands near to the body. Bring your focus on your big toe. Tighten your big toe. Tighten all the toes of your foot. Tighten your heels. Bring your focus on your calf muscles. Tighten it. Bring your focus on your knee joint. Tighten your knee joint. Tighten your thigh muscles. Squeeze your buttocks. Tighten your pelvic region. Exhale. Tighten your abdomen muscles. Inhale. Expand your chest. Hold your breath. Tighten. Tighten your back muscles. Bring your focus on your shoulders. Tighten your shoulders. Your muscles of your hands. Make a fist of your hand. Tighten your fist. Bring your focus on your neck region. Tighten your neck muscles. Bring your focus on your face. Squeeze your face. Tighten your chin. Clench your teeth. Tighten your nose. Squeeze your eyeballs. Tighten. Make a wrinkles of your face. Tighten your entire face. Tighten your entire body. Tighten. 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 Hold it tightly. Tight. 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 Exhale and release. Completely relax. Feel the relaxation after the practice. Relax completely. Enjoy the blood rushing in each part of your body. Complete relaxation. Relax. Normalize your breathing pattern. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. Relax yourself. Enjoy the changes on your body before and after the practice. How each part of your body has become completely relaxed. Stay there for a while. Enjoy the state of relaxation. Mind has become clear of thoughts. Breathing under your control. Each part of your body completely relaxed. Inhale deeply and exhale completely relax. Once again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Once you're relaxed, again, join your legs together, hands near to the body. Slowly take your right hand above your head. Gently turn towards your right side. Stay on your right side for a while. Feel the heaviness on your right side. Now slowly come up. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. Whichever posture is comfortable to you, sit in that position. Back straight, neck straight. Next, let's go for the practice of pranayamas. Starting with the abdominal breathing. So your back should be straight. Don't hunch like this. Don't sit like this. back straight, neck straight. Place your both the hands in chin mudra. Okay. Your index, your thumb touch each other. Rest of the fingers kept open. Place it like this on your lap. Close your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing pattern. Let's practice abdominal breathing. Inhale deeply. Fill your abdomen with air. Exhale completely. Completely squeeze your abdomen. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Last round. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Stop the practice. Feel the control of your breathing pattern. Relax. Next, let's go for the practice of Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. Slowly open your eyes. Let your left hand be in the same position. In the right hand, make a fist. Open the thumb and the last two fingers. Okay. Now slowly place your thumb on your right nose. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with the last two fingers. Open the right and exhale. Now inhale through your right nostril. Close your right nostril with your thumb. Open the left and exhale. This is one round. Let's practice 4 more rounds. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril. Exhale through the right. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left nostril. Close your left nostril. Exhale through right. Now inhale through right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through the left. Last 2 rounds. Inhale through the left nostril. Close your left nostril. Exhale through right. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through the left. Last round. Inhale through the left nostril. Close your left nostril. Exhale through right. Now inhale through the right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through the left. Slowly release your right hand. Bring it back to Chin Mudra. Focus on your breathing pattern. Left and right nostril breathing balanced. Focus how your breathing has been changed after the practice. Relax completely. Next, let's go for the practice of Sadanta Pranayama. Okay, this is an excellent practice for people who are having a hypertension. So you have to clench your teeth and inhale through your mouth, and while exhaling you have to close your mouth and exhale through the nose. You can see the demonstration. Just clench your teeth, inhale through your mouth, Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Okay, we have to practice like this. Keep your eyes closed. Clench your teeth. Inhale through your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Inhale through your clenched teeth. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Inhale through your clenched teeth. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Inhale through your clenched teeth. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Last round. Inhale through your clenched teeth. Close your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Slowly relax. You will feel the cooling sensation inside your mouth. Enjoy that. Relax completely. Now let's go for the last practice of the day, Omkara chanting. Let's chant 12 rounds of Omkara. Back straight, neck straight, hands in Chin Mudra. Inhale deeply and start. Om. Inhale and start. Inhale and start. Fourth round. Inhale and start. Fifth round, inhale and start. Sixth round, inhale and start. Seventh round, inhale and start. Eighth round, inhale and start. Ninth round, inhale and start. Last 3 rounds. Inhale and start. Inhale and start. Inhale and start. Stop the practice. Feel the vibration of the Omkara. Compare the changes on your body before and after the practice. How your body has become now relaxed and flexible. Breathing has become under your control. Mind is free from thoughts. Completely energized. Relax yourself. Take a positive resolution for the day. Fill your mind with only positive thoughts. Let your entire day go positively. Relax completely. Relax. And slowly join your hands into Namaskara Mudra. Let's end the session with the Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramaya. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. So you both the hands at the back. Give a gentle backward stretch. Inhale. As you're exhaling, bend forward. Thank the Mother Earth for the beautiful day. Slowly come up. Rub your both the palms together. Make it warm. Rub it and make it warm. Gently place it on your eyeballs. Massage your face, your arms, your chest, abdomen and your legs. Slowly place your both the palms in front of your face. With a few blinks and a beautiful smile, open your eyes. Thank you. Have a nice day.